from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southeastern Oklahoma City, or over Stanley Draper Lake, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, northeastern Norman, Choctaw, Harrah, Stanley Draper Lake, Stella, Dewala, and Tinker Air Force Base. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 163 and 173. Interstate 240 between mile markers 10 and 16. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.